Bedroom, important space at home. It's where we spend valuable time to reset and to recover ourselves from the daily activities. Did you know the colors we choose, the lighting, the texture, and each objects are important to feel comfortable and relaxed? In this video, I will talk about essentials that should be in any bedroom. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell. I hope you have comfortable mattresses already. So, let's get started. Color is a powerful communication tool and can be used to make us feel the way we want. It influences mood and even psychological reactions. So, it's important to choose tones that provide a calm and relaxing sensation. Use cozy and relaxing colors in your walls, bedding, and furniture like earthy tones, muted blues, greens, and beige. I recommend using a warm and neutral color in the general space under the vibrant color as an accent on your pillows, flowers, artwork, or any accessory. Mirror. A mirror, especially in a full-length version, is a practical and stylish addition to any bedroom. It reflects light, making the space appear larger, open, brighter, and airy. It also adds a touch of glamour and it works at helping you get ready for your daily routine. Mirror designs come in many shapes, so be creative. Try around. The power of scents. To help you fall asleep, a smell is one of the strongest of the senses because it influences brain activity. Some smells have been shown to carry many benefits in terms of wellness and stress relief. Lavender, vanilla, jasmine, chamomile, and rose are the best for falling asleep because its scents make a slowdown to nervous system. Curtains. Curtains give an elegant and fresh look to the space. So, it's very important to dress up your windows. Curtains are an excellent way to introduce colors, pattern, or texture in any space. They have a strong effect on your sleep quality. Curtains are a convenient way to block street lights that seep through your windows in the middle of the night and interrupt your sleep quality. Even a small amount of light that enters your room while you are sleeping can suppress the release of melatonin and it may affect the quality of your sleep. It is also a good idea to have two layers of curtains, where you can combine a layer of translucent curtains and a blackout layer to control the light. Plants. Plants have been known to bring good feeling to the people around them. Plants are always a good choice to give life to an interior and make your home air healthier. Not only they are beautiful, but they also bring great energy. The fact that they improve indoor air quality makes them great for the bedroom. Since this is one of the best strategies of curing issues like sleep up, the best plants for bedroom are snake plant, English ivy, jasmine, spider plant. The right plant for your bedroom will not only add a decorative piece to your space, it will also help you sleep better. Sensation before and after sleep can make a huge difference. Feeling a soft and a warm texture in your feet when you wake up in the morning through floor mats, or to feel soft pillows or the cotton of your blanket is a very appropriate way to relax and elevate the perception of the space. Have it. Lighting. Light is crucial to any space, but for our bedroom, a warm, soft and indirect lighting is ideal to make your body and mind feel relaxed. Always use lamps with a screen to soften up the light and be sure that the lighting sources of the lamp has a warm temperature color. Remember to incorporate different lighting layers, especially if you develop other activities like reading, studying, or any other kind of activities that need a brighter and neutral color. Don't forget to have fast lighting features to improve the way that you use the space. Storage in a bedroom is a must have because it helps minimizes the visual clutter that you make your room feel more airy, clean and in order. Regarding the aesthetics, a dresser and a nightstand can add texture one or it can be an interesting element inside your space. Personal decor. Personal decor and details make the space feel truly yours by showcasing walls, accents, and items that carry meaning to you. This is a fun way to add more personality to your room and one up with a sense of familiar comfort. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you like this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe.